Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Sunil Engineering Academy. I am Bharat. We are looking into the polity series of lectures. In this video, we are going to see citizenship that is prescribed in our constitution, friends. So, citizenship we can see in the part 2 of our constitution, and the articles is starting from 5, friends. Okay. So, India provides for single and uniform citizenship in India, friends. Okay, we all have the same passport. Whoever the citizenship of a citizen of India carries or carries the same passport, whether you are from Kashmir or from your Tamil Nadu, friends. Okay, across the country, you will be given with same citizenship, and there will be a no mention of a state, friends, except there will be some address. This is for just the address proof purpose, but it doesn't differentiate any member according to the place of birth inside India, friends. Okay, if we see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 11 deals with the citizenship and what it says. I am giving a one-liners here. Article 5 gives the citizenship at the commencement of the constitution. At the beginning of the constitution, it says about there is a citizenship of our countries. It serves as the identification, and it gives the people their own right in their own soil, friends. That is the definition that it describes about that. In Article 6, the rights of the citizens of certain persons who have migrated to India from Pakistan. You know, at the time of independence, most of the people who are in Pakistan came to India. Some of the people who are in India went to Pakistan. All this happened, friends. So mainly they concentrated on those people who came to India, and how they gave the citizenship for them. Article 7 are rights of citizens of certain migrants to Pakistan. Okay, some of the people from India, they migrated to Pakistan. What are the rights those people have? And in Article 8, you can see rights of the citizens of certain persons of Indian origin reside outside India, friends. Okay, in Article 9, persons voluntarily acquiring citizenship of foreign state not to be citizens. So, whoever voluntarily acquires other citizenship from other countries or foreign states, they are not meant to be citizens anymore. That we are going to see again here. Continuance of the rights of citizens. Parliament to regulate the right of citizenship by law, friends. All this, these are actually not the articles as it is. It is giving the what articles talking about, what is the gist of the article. So if what are the takeaways from these articles, if we see, a citizen is a person who enjoys full membership of the community or state in which he lives. That is the citizen. If you call, I am an Indian citizen, I bound or I can enjoy full membership of the state or the country, friends. See, friends, in polity, if we say state, it is not your Karnataka or Andhra Pradesh state, friends. This state means it shows the country, friends, or India. Here, in the core meaning of the state is our country. Okay, that you have to understand. If you say state, it is not about the states that we talk about. In general definitions, if you get any name, like if there is any vocabulary in the same in the name of state, then it says that it is our territorial boundary. Simply, if we have to know. Okay, if they say that enjoy the full membership of the community or the country, friends, in which he lives. Citizens are different from aliens. Here aliens is not the aliens which we see in the films. It is the foreign people or foreigners, friends. Okay, citizens are different. So If you see that, if you go to any tourist places, there you can see for Indian citizen you will be having a minimal charge. For an foreigner you will be charged with a huge amount, friends. Okay, because Indian citizens are treated differently in India and they have more rights when compared to the foreigners. In those days they call the foreigners as aliens. Aliens is not those aliens which come who they come in uh, unidentified flying objects, UFOs, okay, who do not enjoy all the rights which are essential for full membership of a state, friends. Okay, so if you are a citizen of India, you have more rights when compared to a foreign person. So how we can acquire this citizenship? Okay, you can acquire this citizenship by various means. Mainly by birth you can acquire, friends. Okay, if you are born in India on or before 26th January 1950, then shall be a citizen of India by law of soil. This is called just solely. Okay, provided either or both of his or her parents are citizens of India at the time of his or her birth, friends. Okay, after that, if you born in India and your parents are from Indian origin, then you are directly given with the Indian citizenship, friends, by descent. How is if you are not in India, okay, but your parents are from India, by descent you are an Indian, friends. That is said like law of blood, that is just sanguine. Okay, by registration. Okay, what is this all you know, friends. By birth you are an Indian. By descent, if you have born in uh, outside India but both of your parents are from India, then easily you can acquire the Indian citizenship by the law of blood. This is by the birth of on the soil, friends. Okay, by registration, actually you are not born in India, you have not spent some time in India, but you have come to India, and before registration you have to have at least 7 years of residential proof in India, friends. Okay, then you can register here. It is prescribed authority may on application register as a citizen of India any person who is not in citizen by virtue of constitution or the provisions of the Citizenship Act. This mode of acquiring citizenship is available any of the following categories, friends. Suppose if you are a person uh, and you are residing in India for 7 years, after 7 years you are applying an application, then you will be provided with Indian citizenship, friends. Or you are from Indian origin, friends. Your parents are from India or your grandparents are from India, friends. Okay, who are ordinarily resident in any country or place outside India, but you have moved out in the earlier generation or your grandfather's generation, you have moved out from India but you have come again to India, you can acquire the Indian citizenship. For women who are have been married to citizens of India, if you are a foreigner but you married an Indian male, then you will be given with Indian citizenship, friends. For minors, if their parents are from India and they have Indian citizenship, if you are a minor child, it is easy for you to get an Indian citizenship. Persons of full age, that is you are not a minor, and if that country is mentioned in the first schedule, if the some of the list of countries is mentioned in the first schedule, if you are from that countries, then you can easily get the Indian citizenship. Okay, this is by registration, friends. Okay, by naturalization. What do you mean by natural citizen? By naturalization can be acquired by making an application in the prescribed manner. The qualifications for naturalization are as following, friends. Okay, he must be a person of full age and capacity. He must not be a citizen of a country where Indian citizens are prevented from becoming from citizens by naturalization. Okay, so so those if you are from a country where Indians are also accepted to give their citizenship to Indians through naturalization, only those countries and India had tie up to give citizens their citizenship through naturalization, friends. Okay, he has renounced the citizenship of the other country. Suppose you have come from one country to India, if he renounced, that is gave up, if he gave up his citizenship in that country and come to India, he should do that. Only then you will be given with the Indian citizenship. He has either resided in India or has been in government service for 12 months before the date of making the application of naturalization, or during 7 years period of this 12 months, friends. Okay, either he should be working in government service for 12 months before making the application, or during the 7 years prior to this 12 months, or if he has been here for 7 years, then he is also applicable to apply, or he can acquire the citizenship through naturalization. He has resided or has been in the government service for not less than 4 years. For 4 years he should be serving the government of government service, friends. He must take an oath of allegiance. He is of a good character. He has an adequate knowledge of languages recognized by the constitution. These are some of the mandatories he should have to live in India, friends. Okay, by incorporation of territories, if suppose India acquires a part of some country, and all the citizens of that country, if that country is included in India, and all the citizens who are in that part of that country now become India, or automatically have right to become the citizens of India, friends. That is, they have told this one. Okay, now till now we have seen how we acquire the citizenship of India. Now we will see how the termination of the citizenship happens. Citizenship Act 1955 also lays down three modes by which an Indian citizen may lose his or her citizenship. These are renunciation, termination, and deprivation, friends. Okay, these are those three modes of losing citizenship is renunciation, termination, and deprivation. In renunciation, it is a voluntary act by which a person, after acquiring the citizenship of another country, gives up his Indian citizenship. That is, if voluntarily an Indian person who is holding Indian citizenship goes to other country and acquires the citizenship of other country, and he himself gives up the citizenship of his own country, that is Indian citizenship. If he himself gives up the citizenship, then it is called renunciation. Whereas the termination is, it takes place by operation a law when an Indian citizen voluntarily acquires the citizenship of another country. Here the government identifies him in the other country's citizen as a other country citizen and terminates his Indian citizenship. Here renunciation is done by a voluntary act by the person itself. He himself gives up the citizenship of our country, whereas the termination is government identifies the person and cancels his citizenship. Okay, that is the main difference. And deprivation is that we know that to acquire the citizenship of a country, there are two ways. There are, that is registration or by naturalization. If someone acquires the citizenship through registration or naturalization by producing fake documents or fake proofs, that is through fraudulent means, if this comes to the purview of our government, then they will cancel their citizenship, and this is called deprivation, friends. Okay, so these are these termination process, that is how to terminate of a termination of citizenship, we have seen now, friends. Okay, and this that's it from the citizenship. And one more announcement, friends, we have uploaded the full PDF in www.sunilengineeringacademy.com. you can find the link in the description box. And yesterday some of the students have felt that only 50, this PDF is of 87 pages, friends. Only 56 pages was appeared yesterday, and we have removed that PDF and uploaded again. If you go to www.sunilengineeringacademy and log in there, and if you go to my accounts, and from there if you go to my orders, there you can find what all the purchases you have made, and from there you can download again the full PDF, friends. Okay, so please visit the website and download the full video, friends. That's it from for today. We'll see in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.